What's up, everybody? I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install these LED lights. Okay, now first thing you're gonna notice is this is the tool that comes with the kit. I'm not using that. This is what I'm gonna use, and if I can find a link to this specifically, I'll definitely put it in the description. But this is gonna be a much better tool than what the pack came with. So without further ado, let us get onto the thing. So now all of these are pretty simple to install. The first one I'm going to do is the vanity light over here. So if you look over here, you should see that there's a little indentation here and an indentation down here. Let me change this light. There we go. So you're gonna want to take your trim tool. I'm gonna come in here. Now, if you slide this all the way open, the light's gonna come on, okay? So you don't wanna do that. Slide it open far enough so that you have access to the cover without turning the light on. This will make your job a little bit easier. So, let's go over here and do this. There we go. So, there we go. Once you get that in there, you can pull this off. And then the light is right here. Well, the stock light is going to be there anyway. So once again, you can take your trim tool, just go in here and pop that out. And then you want to pop a new one back in. This is just held on by the little retainer tabs. So like I said, just pop it on out. And then you put that in there, and then you want to test it to make sure you got it in the correct polarity, meaning which way it's facing. If you turn it on and turns on, it's in the right way. If you turn that on and the light doesn't come on, flip it over and put it in. Also make sure that these lights, the little LED chips, are facing you and not the other way around, or else, you know, it ain't gonna work. So now when you put this back in, bring it over here, and just slide it right back in. It's easier to do the top one first and then the bottom one. Then you can close it, open it, there you go. So now when you're taking these lights off right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on this right here and it will turn the light on. There's no way to avoid that. And you're gonna slide your trim tool right in here. So you're gonna press here and then take your trim tool and slide it in there, then pop it off. And then it might put up a little bit of a fight, just continue popping. Then gonna turn the light off, and there you go. So right here is where your old light is going to be. So to get that out, once again, you have options. Either you can go ahead and pop it out, or you can come up here, assuming that you've used this to turn the light back off. You know, let me emphasize that. Turn the light back off before grabbing this, or else it will be very hot. And then you're just gonna wanna slide the old light out and slide the new light in, and maybe give this a little bit of a positioning to, you know, shine down on you, okay? So after you've done that, you wanna look at your light here, and you'll see two tabs and the rocker. So now the rocker goes back there, obviously, but you're gonna wanna put the tabs in first. So make sure you get those tabs in the holes, and then just go ahead and press this right back on like it was before. And there you go, LED light. In the back seat, the process is going to be much the same as in the front seat. So you're gonna come up here, push that down, you can leave it down, then slide trim tool in, pop that out. There you go, pop that. Okay, and then right here is where your old light is going to be. Again, just pop that one out, pop this new one on in, and if you want to, you know, just point it towards the seat a little bit, and then you'll see on this light there's still going to be the two tabs and the rocker. So again, you see here where the rocker goes, there's a switch. There's two tabs, line up in there. literally just press it on and there's your light. So now these lights on the liftgate are probably going to be the most difficult, starting with this one right here. So you're going to want to turn this off so that you can see what you're doing, and then you'll see a little indentation right here. Slide your tool in there, and this one and the license plate lights are the ones that suck the most for the trim tool that's included. So let's get this off. There that goes. All right, so pick that up, put it in a safe place. So right here is where the light is, same as before. Pop that one out, make sure that when you put the new one in, the lights are facing you. And after you do that, you're gonna take this cover right here, and there's no real tabs or anything on this, so you're just gonna wanna bring it over here, keep that light off, and just press it on so it clicks all the way around to make sure it's all in there. Then once you got it in, go ahead and turn it back on, and you're ready for the license plate lights. Let's talk about the license plate lights. So let me turn this on right here. So in there, you can see little indentations on the sides of these. Now ignore that, that's to my digital rear view camera. But let's talk about this right here. So what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and open up the lift gate so that it's easy to access. Get your light here, take your trim tool, and you're gonna wanna get on the inside of this light cover. So once it's in here, you're just gonna pop it off. Apply some pressure until it pops. There we go. Got it loose, and put my trim tool in my pocket. There you go. So here is the new LED. So these lights are a little bit different than the others. So this old one is gonna slide straight back out. It's not gonna go easily, so it's gonna take some force to get it in there. And then the new one will slide right back in. Now, when you go to put this back on, it looks pretty weird, and it is. So these lines are gonna go towards the bottom. So you're not really gonna feel anything in there. It's gonna tell you when it's arranged in the right orientation. So what you're gonna wanna do is place it on that gasket where the old marks are, and just press it on and hope that it goes in. So there's one side, and then there's the other. There you go, you heard it click in there. Now the first time you do this, it might be kind of difficult to get that popped back on. That's normal. You kind of have to develop a feeling for when it's in place. But after you do that one, the second one is the exact same thing. It'll be much easier to get back on. And then you have replaced all the lights with LEDs. Hope this helps.